Hey everyone, Yael here with your Yonge and Eglinton Condo Market Report for November 2025. Today we're walking through the latest condo numbers for 1 and 2 bedroom units in Midtown. As a reminder, I've switched to median prices, which gives a clearer picture of what a typical buyer is paying when compared to averages. Let's take a look at what happened this month, starting with 1 bedroom condos. The median price for a 1 bedroom in November came in at $538,500, up from $503,000 in October. On the surface, that looks like a positive turn in the market, and it's always good to see upward movement month over month. But I want to add context. There were only 9 1 bedroom sales in November, which is a smaller sample size for the neighborhood. When there is a low volume, all numbers should be taken with a bit of a grain of salt, as the resulting numbers could be more reflective of the mix of condos available last month, which were potentially on the nicer side, versus the typical mix. So while the uptick is encouraging for sellers, it could also be more of a blip on the radar. Year over year, 1 bedrooms are still 8.7% below where they were in November 2024, when the median was 590,000. So we're definitely not seeing a full rebound yet, but there is potentially some short-term momentum. Let's move on to the 2 bedroom units, which didn't see the same monthly uptick as the 1 bedrooms. The median in November was 720,000, down 4% from 750,000 in October, and this segment is also down 12.7% from November 2024, when the median was 825,000. It's good to keep in mind that this report or any past or future reports are simply reporting on the mix of sales from that month. The key is watching the bigger picture and not overreacting to 1 month of numbers. Medians and averages can and do swing around because the batch of sales in any given month will have varying layouts, square footage, or condition, and can create noticeable shifts from month to month. So a lift doesn't always signal strengthening demand, and a drop does not automatically signal weakening demand either. That's why year-over-year numbers tell a little bit more of a reliable story, and ultimately the market is still shifting downwards. If you want help interpreting what this means for you and your buying or selling plans at Yonge and Eglinton, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.